getting ready for it though.
Explain your creation.
Any one of those?
Explain your creation to the world.
So we have pupusas de queso today. So everyone gave it a try to make them, and so they did pretty well. Looks good to me. And so they're cooking here, and when they're ready, we're gonna take them out. We cut them up and we share them. These are traditional Salvadoran food. Usually we have like a plancha and all that good stuff, but we have improvised. We have some delicious curtido and the filling of the queso. They're traditional Salvadoran food, and I've grown up eating them. I know my mom's recipe making them. I've pretty much just inherited her taste for it because she doesn't really have any written recipes. But yeah, this is what we do. We sell pupusas and we use that revenue to give scholarships to undocumented students, and we're having a midnight pupusa party here at RIC, our grand finale. And so yeah.